The 5 items that I did get on this particular box, which is a June box. I'm gonna be showing you guys one by one, and I'm actually gonna be reviewing the products as well, and actually gonna be using them for the video for today. I'm super excited, guys. This is actually my first YouTube video that I do reviewing Boxycharm products, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys do like it. Don't forget to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family, so you guys won't miss any updated videos, or so you guys can keep up with me. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. All right, guys. So for the first item that I'm gonna be pulling out, it's gonna be this particular product, which is hopefully I say it right, guys, is Eyeshadow overnight lip mask. Super excited because this is actually one of my first lip masks that I get. So it is overnight lip mask, but of course I'm gonna be swatching it with you guys and trying it here with you guys. It says this is a lip mask to give your lips that extra smooshable edge. This miracle works with resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft. Super excited, guys, because my lips do tend to get really dry. So let's give it a try. Let's see what this is all about. The texturing looks pretty soft. It looks like a gooey texturing. Super easy, guys, to apply. I would have to say it's not too thick. Kind of like a lip gloss, but it's a lip mask to put on overnight. So I'm just gonna leave it on for right now, guys. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go and check out the other products that I did get in this particular box. This is the regular box, babe, which is only for $25 a month. You could always subscribe. Okay, and now I'm gonna be moving on to my second item that I did receive. Again, this video is not sponsored by Boxycharm, but I did gift it. So let's check out the other product that I did get. And what I love the most about Boxycharm, babes, is that you get over $100 worth of makeup within you, and you only have to pay like $25. So that's not bad at all. So this is a brow camera and action dual brow highlighter pencil from Brow Bar, which is like this. Let me open it. This one does come on the shade light. So let's see if it's ooh, super pretty. I'm loving the packaging. It's like a gold shiny packaging. Brow light. So let's see. Okay, so this is like the highlighter. Let me swatch that for you guys. Super pretty, guys. I'm obsessed because honestly I've been wanting one of these for the longest to highlight like the bottom of my brow. So now I got it, and this is just like I guess a creamy side just to clean your brow. I'm gonna be testing it out today, so we're gonna give it a try, guys. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows with you guys. This item was not on my Boxycharm box, but I am gonna be using it for you guys. It's the Benefit Brow Combo. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna be using this product. I'm gonna go in with the cream side, which is this right here, to clean out the brow. Okay, the texturing on this product, guys, is I could say is pretty creamy. I'll be using this one from Morphe. So we're gonna begin by just like getting a clean brow. It's super creamy, so I'm loving the fact that it gives me time to go back to the brow and actually spread the product around, like blend it pretty good. It doesn't get dry at all. Okay. Super easy to apply and easy to blend as well. So honestly, for this product, I'll give it a 10. Okay, so something like that. And now I'm gonna go and do the other one.
Party all night, feel of the song. Drinking all night long. Shake a leg with rum in a me and everybody feel nice. We party as one. Party all night, feel of the song. Drinking.
Alright, now we're gonna move to the third product that comes on this particular box. So let me show you guys the third product that I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be this eyeshadow palette. I know a lot of people have been dying to put their hands on this. This one is from the OPB Beauty Cosmetics, which is this one right here. So let's take a look at it, guys. I was super excited to actually get this eyeshadow palette because, oh my god, just look at the pigmented, look at the colors. I had heard so many good reviews about them. I'm gonna be swatching a few samples for you guys so you guys could see how pigmented this particular palette is. So let's see, I'm gonna be doing this one. I still don't know what look to go for, but I'm probably gonna go for like a soft glam look. But just look at that. It gives me like galaxy vibes. Super pigmented. They're super shimmery. They're super pretty. I don't know what look to go for. I do have like a baby blue top, so okay, let's just go and let's just work with it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this glimmer, this one right here, guys, and I'm just gonna begin by applying it all over the eye. This is kind of gonna be like the transition color, so I'm just gonna go put it in there and just like get a nice blended eyeshadow. Okay, super orangey, gives me like summer vibes. Really pigmented. I feel like picking up a little bit of powder does go a long way. Really pretty. Look at that orangey color. You can never go wrong with orange. So now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Just patting on it, on the eye. Just patting. Kind of like a rotating
Drinking all night long. Shake a leg with rum in a me and everybody feel nice. We party as one. Freaky. So freaky.
It's been super humid here in Chicago, guys. If you guys are from around the area, super humid. It's been nothing but rainy days, but other than that, the weather is getting way better than before. Now I'm gonna go in with a different type of brush, guys, and I'm thinking of going in with a darker shade. So I'm gonna be using my Beauty Creations brush, and I'm gonna go in with like a darker, this one public eye, and then just like blending like the,
we're gonna keep it freaky. Let's feel it freaky. We're gonna keep it freaky.
Alright, and then I'm gonna finish up the eye look with this this really gold shimmery. I'm gonna go in with my brush and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this particular color and just like put it like right here. Something super simple, guys. This is super simple to do and it's just gonna make the eye look super bomb. You can never go wrong with shimmery eyeshadow. So just patting it all around like that. Wow, super pretty. I'm gonna do the other eye the same.
Let's feel it freaky. We're gonna get freaky.
what you guys think, guys. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys are liking the eye tutorial. What do you guys think? Alright guys, I'm also going to be bronzing my face, but I'm going to be using a product that did not come with Boxycharm, which is this particular product that I've been loving from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. I love using this bronzer, which is this color right here. So let me just go and bronze my face. And then I'm gonna be showing you guys my 4th item that I did get on June's box. This has to be my favorite part of the makeup, guys. Bronzing my face, it's a must. Please excuse that I'm looking back over here, but this is where I have like my whole mirror. So I'm trying to do my makeup and look over here, but then I'm looking over here. And like I said, guys, I've been loving Frankie Rose Cosmetics contour palette. And what I love about this particular contour palette, it does also have like a highlighter. So you guys could always highlight using this particular palette. So I'm going to be highlighting using this shade over here. And I feel like it's really pigmented, guys. So a little bit of product that you pick up goes a long way.
Party all night, feel like the song. Drink.
Just like that. See how simple it is? Again, it is using my Frankie Rose palette. Alright guys, so now that I did the eyes and everything, I'm gonna go and show you guys the 4th product that I did get in today's June box, which is this one from Vegan Beauty. This is like a Dazzle stick, which is like an eyeshadow type. Let me see what it looks like. Oh my god, loving the packaging, guys. The packaging is really pretty. Oh my god, I should have used this for the eyes. It's kind of like the same thing, guys. It's a gold whoa, really pretty, so pigmented. I'm like really amazed by this. Okay, so I'm gonna go and grab it with a brush because I'm trying to put it in a certain spot. I don't want to smear it everywhere. It looks really pigmented, guys. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit and oh my god, this is everything. It's a little bit lighter than the other one I had put on. So let me see. This is really pretty, actually. Just like if you want to do like a soft glam look, or
all night long. Shake a leg with rum in my hand. Everybody feel nice.
I could definitely see myself using this particular product like on a daily basis, just you know, like a go-to everyday makeup, because it is really pretty, guys, and it's just like so easy to apply whenever I'm in a rush. I could just swatch this all over my eye, my eyelid, and then I'm ready to go. Ooh, I'm loving this this stick, guys. It is a Dazzle stick, and this one is on the shade Hail Search. So pretty, loving the packaging. Definitely gonna be using this like a lot, probably like every day. Like it's a everyday type of use. But look how pretty. I love my eyes. Super shimmery, super pigmented, like I said. I love it, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the 5th product that did come in the box. It comes with a glow makeup palette. It is from Touch and Soul. Packaging, super cute. It's a makeup palette. Hashtag glow. Let's open it up. Oh my god, super pretty, guys. Look at all them shimmers. I'm gonna be swatching a few shimmers so you guys can see. I'm gonna swatch this one. This one, super pigmented as well. Oh my god, loving it. Oh my god, look at all this. Let me do it for you guys right here so you guys could see. Super creamy, super creamy. Definitely gotta try this on, guys. I know I did already apply like highlighter, but I'm gonna go in and just try a little bit of this one, and I'm gonna go with the last two, little like this browns with this one. Okay. Wow. You guys see that shimmer though? Look at that highlight. Look at the glow, girl. It'd be the glow for me, honestly. Okay, now let's do the other one. Wow, look at that. I'm loving it. Look at this highlight though. I totally recommend this. Like I said, I feel like this could be an everyday use for me. I love me a nice highlighter. I'm all about highlighting my face. And look at this. Look at all them shimmers. Summer vibes right here, guys. Summer vibes. Let me know what you guys think about this particular highlighter down in the comments. If you're a highlight girl, let me know which ones are your favorite highlighters, your go-to daily. Because, girl, I'm all about trying new highlighters. I love highlighters. Boxycharm did send over all these beautiful products. This is the June box. This is a highlighter stick that I did show you guys. I tried it on for you guys. I like it so much, guys. It is giving me that summer shimmery in my eyes. This one right here, I'm loving it. Totally recommend it, guys. It's like kind of like on the go. All you gotta do is clean up the brow and just add a little bit of highlighter, and I just love the fact that it's amazing. Guys, I'm dying for this overnight lip mask. I never had a lip mask, so I'm super excited to give it a try and update you guys to see how the lips are waking up to. I'm loving it, but I'm just gonna continue using it on a daily to see the results. The OP Beauty palette is super beautiful. I love the fact that it has a lot of like neutral colors, soft glam, and you could just create a bunch of cute looks with it. It's such a summer vibe. And let's not forget about the last product that I did show you guys, which is the highlighter glow palette. Super cute. I love the highlighter, really creamy, and it gives me that highlight just the way I like it. So yeah, these were all the products. I hope you guys did like today's video. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you could be notified every time I upload a video. That way you guys don't miss out on any videos I upload. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, guys, because like I said, it was actually my first video ever that I did do unboxing Boxycharm for the month of June. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.